Happy morning to one and all gathering here. I am A.V. Neshika. I am going to speak about Netaji Subhash Chandra Bose. Subhash Chandra Bose was an Indian freedom fighter and one of the causes to Indian freedom. He was known as Netaji. He was the president of Indian National Congress from 1938 to 1939. He was born on 23 January 1897 in Cuttack. His mother was Prabhavati and father was the famous lawyer Janakinath Bose. When Subhash was 5, he admitted to Protestant European school at Cuttack. He soon became the favorite of teachers. When Subhash was 12, transferred to Ravinshaw Collegiate School. His headmaster Beni Madhav Das was a true nationalist. He seeded the patriotism in the students' mind. Subhash passed his matriculation examination and school second in the university. Then he joined Presidency College in Calcutta. In the college, the behavior of the British professors were humiliating the Indian students. Subhash could not tolerate the way professors abused them. Subhash took a lead and called for strike, which went for 3 days, and finally the strike was called off when the professors apologized. But Subhash was thrown out the college. He returned back to Cuttack and found a group called Nursing Brotherhood to render service to neglected patients. Soon he became a popular figure. Again he joined Scottish Church College. There he took military training. Subhash graduated from Calcutta University at the age of 22 and went to England to appear for Indian Civil Service examination. He took 4th in the ICS examination, but he resigned the service to take part in Indian freedom fight. He returned to Bombay and met Gandhiji and spoke to him about the freedom struggle. But Gandhiji suggested him to see Deshabandhu Das and work with him, saying, "My role of freedom non-violent and yours is different." So Subhash joined with Deshabandhu, formed Swaraj Party, which organized for demonstration, procession and meetings, for which he was imprisoned. His health became bad, so he was released. Later he formed the INA, Indian National Army, with the help of Japanese army. He fought against the British army, but the Japanese and INA was defeated. His friends advised him to hide himself, and the British were in search of him. On August 17, 1945, Netaji boarded a Japanese plane for some unknown destination. He did not reach the destination, as the plane in which he went crashed on the way. He was died on 18 August 1945 in Japanese Taiwan at the age of 48. Thank you.